Well, hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So today we have the turkey stock. We are going to be canning this. Super short video, going to be really easy. I'm going to be filling these jars to 1-inch headspace. And then what I'm going to be doing, and this is filtered, it's already filtered. You can see the clarity of it, it's really good. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be filling this to 1-inch headspace and then canning this, pressure canning this for 25 minutes. That's all that there is to it. That goes for any stocks, vegetable stock, beef stock, chicken stock, turkey stock, any kind of stock that you have. You are going to pressure can it at 25 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. We have wide mouth jars. I'm going to be pouring this into here, into the jar. Okay, I have poured it and filled it to 1-inch headspace, and the way you can tell 1-inch headspace is to the rim, the first rim right there, or I have my personalized canning debubblers available, which have right here the measurements, and this is 1-inch measurement. Oh, my phone is not coming in real clear. So it comes like this, but they are absolutely clear. The backing on the back comes off, and these are in my Etsy store and also available on MERCARI. The links are in the description box below. Okay, let's finish filling these and get them in the canner. Okay, so these are all filled, and we are going to put lids on them, put them in the canner, wipe the rims with vinegar, put vinegar in the canner, and then can them for 25 minutes, and then I will bring you guys back for the end result. Okay, so we are going to take all of these and walk them over to the canner and put them in the canner. So I have cold broth or cold turkey stock, cold water, cold canner. So we are starting from scratch. So I'm going to finish loading these, put the lid on, and then I'm going to vent it for 10 minutes, let it come to pressure, and then once it starts venting, I'm going to start timing it for 25 minutes, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay, pressure is down. Took the weight off. Going to vent it away from me for just a couple of minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, we're going to take the lid off. And we're going to look in. Okay, looks good. Still got water. Looks pretty clear. Okay, let me move this because I have it standing on its end right here, and I'll come back and take the jars out. Okay, so I'm gonna take the jars out carefully. Now it looks amazing. Okay, let me get one more out since I only have one hand here. Get the rest out. It looks beautiful. Look at that. Nice and clear. Okay, I'm going to get the rest out, and then I will show you what these look like. Okay guys, here they are. Nice and clear turkey stock. Only 5 pints, but that's because we did all that soup. So we got all those jars of soup and some turkey stock. There we go. Thanks for watching. Word of the day, turkey stock. Please comment in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed so that you're eligible to win my random giveaways. I'm going to be giving away lots of things pretty soon, and a debubbler for this video. And we have some more canning videos and a lot of collaborations coming up in the month of December, you guys. As always, please be patient with me as we are still trapped in our driveway with the city being delayed now. They were supposed to let us out the 9th. The road was supposed to be done, and now they're saying the 12th or 13th. So that's what I've been dealing with during the day, so I haven't done everything that I'm supposed to collaboration-wise. I'm way behind, but I will be catching up in the next few days, and we're going to be having a crock pot giveaway, so stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and remember to comment the word of the day in the comment section below and like the video. That's the sound we like to hear, right? Okay, see you soon.